This is a video on chapter 10 on how to do all of this in Excel. So I have the same example that we ran with the TI-84, TI-83, TI-84 calculator. What we need to do first is we need to construct a scatter plot. If you highlight both of these, I have my X column first, I have my Y column second. Under Insert, you have a chart that looks like a bunch of points. It is a scatter plot, and you want to choose the simplest one, and your scatter plot just shows up. Now, on the left top corner, there is a button that says Quick Layout. What you want to do is you want to click on it and find the one that looks like it has an f of x. It's called a layout number 9. At least on my Excel. If you click on that one, what you have is you actually have, let me move this a little bit. There we go. What you have is the line is drawn with the scatter plot. The equation of a line is given to you with 4 significant digits, and the r squared is calculated. That's the coefficient of determination. All of that is correct to 4 significant digits, which is exactly what we need for our class. Now, in order to get the correlation, what you could do is two things. Either take a square root and look at the line to notice the fact that it does appear to be a positive slope, or you can use this as a function. If you push equals and start typing correlation, it actually comes up. It's asked for array 1, so that's your x's, comma, array 2, those are your y's. Close the parenthesis, and it's going to spit out the correlation coefficient right there. Another thing that it's asking you to do is a list of residuals. Now, in order to get residuals, let me move this a little bit. In order to get residuals, we actually have to go through a few steps. So I have my line of best fit, and that one is equals to, you're going to take a 0.1061, I'm reading off the y in my chart, times, that's the star, and I need to multiply by the x. So that's the 63. So I'm going to choose a sub 2 and add the y-intercept, which is 0.3963. And what it does is it actually evaluates it for each for that first one. If I drag it through, it's going to calculate for the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and so on and so forth. So that's your line. The residuals is the difference between the y that is given to you, so I'm going to push equal sign, and the predicted one. So if you push enter, it's going to give you that first prediction, the first residual. And if I drag it through, I'll get all of my predictions. Notice that, I'll get all of my residuals. So notice that some of them are really small, and all of them have a 0 in front, meaning that it's less than a point away from the predicted is less than a point away from the actual one for each one of those data points. So this is a good list of residuals, and this takes care of all of chapter 10 in a matter of about 4 minutes that I spent on doing this video. This will help you with getting the project done faster, because we do have a list of 130 something values of data points.